Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down to access notifications. After that, click on All Apps and select the best option for you. In my case, All Apps. Now tap on one of the available ones, like Calendar, and select this switcher next to Block All to disable all notifications from chosen app. You can switch them back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!